In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pair a DM09 smartwatch to a phone. Okay. I go to BT connection. Now go to your phone, go to settings, make sure that Bluetooth is on. Go to search new device. Now go to Bluetooth, search, now when your phone appears on the watch, as it is now, it says LG Aristo. Just go there. Now go to pair. And there you go. The watch is now paired with the phone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.